Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Call of Duty mobile account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your Call of Duty mobile account password, go ahead and first log out of your account if you're already logged in. Here I've been logged into my Call of Duty game. If you want to get your password changed, go and tap on the settings button located at the top right hand corner. Now scroll down from the left hand side menu and tap on legal and privacy. Tap on the logout button at the bottom right and tap on OK to log out of your current account. Once you're logged out of your account, you'll be taken to these options from where you can sign in back to your Call of Duty mobile account. If you want to change your password, select Call of Duty from the options and tap on login at the bottom right. You'll need to enter your email address and password on the next page. Without entering any information, tap on forgot your password. Enter the email address on the next page associated with your Call of Duty account and then tap on submit. If you have a valid account, password instructions have been sent to your registered email address, so go ahead and open up your email inbox. You'll receive an email from Call of Duty. Tap it open and tap on reset your password. Now select one of the web browser you'd like to use from the pop-up and it'll take you to profile.callofduty.com. Here on this page, you'll get to enter the new password you would want to change to. Type in the new password for your account. Once you are done, retype in the password again in the next field. Make sure to type in the same password in both of the boxes. Finally, tap save and then you'll end up in this page. You can now go back to your app and then select Call of Duty from the login options. As soon as you open up your app, tap on login and then in the login page, type in your email address that is registered with the Call of Duty account and in the password field, type in the new password that you just changed to. Finally, after entering your new password in the text box, tap on I'm not a robot and click login now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to get access back to your Call of Duty mobile account with the new password that you changed to. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.